Hello again. Welcome back to HJ Storm Chasing. Today is April 25th. I'm going to tell you another weather report. I've heard from the National Weather Service that there's going to be supposedly terrestrial downpours. So pretty much strong downpouring rain that could affect traffic and affect your driving capabilities. Be careful on the road today. The roads will be slippery. Be careful when you are driving home as well because the wind could be increasing. Watch out for falling debris on trees, and watch out for flash flooding. Thank you for watching HJ Storm Chasing. I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe.